everybody, and welcome to step-by-step BioLift instruction. First you have to charge, you will get a cord that you will connect into the machine, into the power point, and you charge your BioLift for minimum for the first time 6 hours. You will click it into the stand here, and once it clicks, you see a red light coming. It means that it's not charged. Once it's charged, it will turn up to green light. Make sure that when you are charging your machine, your device is put together. Not just that part. It has to have the whole system together. Those balls are not coming off, they don't move. It's negative and positive already set into the device. Then you clean your skin very thoroughly, make sure that your skin is very clean. Set the machine on blue, which means it's on. Then choose the green, stand for the lowest strength. Orange, medium. Red, the highest. As I always said, as a start, start with the green. The reason why is because some people have more electricity in their body, so if you go straight to red, it might zap you, you might feel really strong. So no need to. It's still working regardless. If you think that it's okay, then you can increase it to orange in the same time, or wait for the next time where you see becoming more used to it. So the machine is ready to start. Then you use Yafa Zahav BioLift. The BioLift is a special gel that acts as a conductor for the microcurrent. The gel is safe and is very comfortable to use on your face, on your skin. So what you do, you put a little bit into the jar, and then you will dip the 2 balls into the jar and just spread it all over your face. One side of your face, you need to divide your face to half. Then you spread one side of the face. Now, make sure that you spread quite a bit, only because it needs to slide and you need to do it at least for 15 minutes. So, clean the skin, gel, spread it all over, just spread it so you can slide. You spread also on your neck and it's ready to go. Now, when you are using the movement, make sure that you do each movement at least 10 times. Remember, repetition of the muscle and also re-educating muscle. So we start with the cheek. We are lifting the cheek. So up to the top, up. Now remember, when you're going, you touch the skin, you don't have to be strong, firm, nothing, because it's not the pressure that you're doing, it's the microcurrent that you're doing. So up to the top, up to the top. And you're doing it at least 10 times. You can do more if you want, but at least 10 times. Remember, look what I'm doing. I'm lifting it, but I'm not going down. I'm picking it up and start again. So the idea is that we are working with the muscle, lifting and toning the muscle up, up. So we finished movement number 1. Now movement number 2, you lift the cheek and you hold. And you lift and hold. And you lift and hold. Again, 10 times. Then, movement number 3, to the side of the face, as you're climbing up. And again, so once you come up to the top here, you go down again, start again, 10 times. And again, once you finish 10, 10, 10, meaning the cheek is done. Then we're going to go into the forehead. So tuck it under your eyebrow. Make sure you got gel around that area on your forehead. Tuck under the eyebrow and lift your forehead straight. Tuck, lift. Tuck, lift. Tuck, lift. Middle, we get line there, dropping there, up. Tuck, lift. Tuck, lift. Again, 10 times. And then circle light movement under the eyes. This is really good for people that have building some fluid there. When I do myself, I do it once a week. And that's why I don't have any puffy eyes or anything like that. It's really good for fluid, for draining the fluid. It's excellent for improving the circulation around your eyes. So just gently run movement like that. So now we finished your half side of the face. Then we're going to the neck. Up, 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 up. You have to look at your watch, 15 minutes each side, because you need to make it even. Once you finish 15 minutes on each side, you can then continue and do some extra area that needs more attention. For example, you might have a very bad droopy eye. Work a little bit more on your eyes for another 5 minutes on each eye. There is no harm, absolutely no harm. Or your neck is showing much more aging. Work another 10 or 5 minutes just on your neck. You probably will need to put more gel, but you can do extra, but 15, 15, and then you can focus if you want in some extra area that you feel like you need more. Now when you finish this side of the face, you then put again the gel on that side. Because if you're going to put both gel in the same time, it will dry out. So when you finish, you then put the gel now here and you start the whole treatment, the whole movement on the other side. When you finish your treatment, you do not put it under the water to clean. Never. You take a little bit of tissue, or you can, the best thing is probably the small alcohol swab, or a tissue, and put a little bit of detergent, tiny bit, very damp, not soggy wet or anything, and just wipe it. That's all. There's only going to be a little bit of leg. Just wipe, take a couple of tissue, and that's it. It's clean, ready to be used again. Never put it under the water. Also, I recommend, little tip, don't do it in the bathroom in case by mistake when you change it falls on a tile, then it will definitely break. The best to do it is where you've got carpet, so in case it falls, nothing happens.